I know.
I can say hey. I'm easy. My name is Conrad Wirt. It's nice to see you all. My wife and I are on a date night. We live down in Bernie, Texas. The name of the show is called Possessed by Paul James. Paul was the name of our grandfather. James is the middle name of my dad. And by trade, I'm an elementary school teacher. I've been doing school teaching in nonprofits for about 17 years. Music has come to take a turn to be able to play shows like this for you fine folks during South by. So we'll play 3 songs for you and enjoy it. And my goodness gracious, can you believe that opener? Oh my goodness.
I know.
Are you kidding me? All right, we'll play a few songs nice and laid back. Use a banjo. Bass on it. Well, give me your hands. Well, so I may hold. Well, so you may feel this old face and these whiskers. Well, give me your lips. Well, so I may kiss away all that pain, all that comes from them blisters. Ow! Please, oh please, know that I will always love you. And these pictures in my mind, mine. Yes, oh yes, there will be nights when I don't leave as we cry ourselves to sleep. Please, oh please, know that I will always love you. And these pictures in my mind, mine. Yes, oh yes, there will be nights when I'm lonely as we cry ourselves all to sleep. Hey! Ah! To our favorite bar, oh, with all of our friends, all the friends that we love. Oh, and damn, oh, you looking so good in your half-piece and jeans. Ow! Won't you come to my car? Please, oh please, know that I will always love you. And these pictures are mine. Yes, oh yes, there will be nights when I'm lonely as we cry ourselves to sleep. Please, oh please, know that I will always love you. And these pictures are mine. Yes, oh yes, there will be nights when I'm lonely as we cry ourselves all to sleep.